Welcome back.
Welcome back. I'm here with my Aunt Peggy. We're going to make chocolate gravy.
All right.
Ready to make chocolate gravy?
I'm ready.
So how long have you guys been making chocolate gravy?
Well, I'm 74.
How long has time?
A long time.
Okay.
50 years or so.
Okay. That works.
Where did this recipe come from?
Your grandma.
So your mom?
Mama.
Yeah.
I look good.
You look beautiful.
You look great.
So, inside of this pot we have, there's 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour, a half cup of cocoa powder, a little bit of salt, and a cup of sugar. So, you don't make it like this. So I'm going to stir this around to get it all blended together. So that's all mixed up.
Okay.
And then we have, this is a cup of milk in a bag. Since we're on the Traveling Road Show.
This is a traveling cooking show.
Or you can make it with water.
Just strictly water.
Yep.
Here's some vanilla. That's
It's just a dash of vanilla.
about a 1/4 teaspoon. Or just a little. Just put a little.
Or put none, because it's optional.
Oh, hand me that bag of water. Because we're going to need that too.
Brush water.
I brought a bag of water over
I did
here.
that, that way we didn't forget to add any of the ingredients to everything.
I was
So
going to say.
if I have everything bagged up and ready to go, I don't forget anything.
And then I have 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter.
That's what it says on the bag, 3 or 4. It's not an accurate measurement.
One or the other.
To taste.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's
The weather makes things different too. Too much moisture in the air, not enough moisture. Things get funny when you cook.
Well, sometimes it tastes a little better with a little more butter, and some people don't like a lot of butter.
Right?
Who don't like a lot of butter?
I'd be saving it.
I like the butter.
So I'm going to stir this around on medium heat. We're going to cook this until it thickens up. So we'll be back here directly.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chocolate gravy.
Oh, he's cooking chocolate gravy. You know, I don't think you were getting me that.
Daisy, can you say hello?
Say hi. Can you say hi?
You want a biscuit?
She's
Oh no, I know what ours is.
Well, I kind of pick it up till I got it going.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Say hello. Say hi.
Oh, they want to play. They don't want to be up here monkeying around with us.
What? You can't have this, Blackwell.
You get it? Get out here, Furball.
Look at him. I can't have this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, boy. Go over and mess with Jen. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yeah, it's getting it. You gotta kind of make sure you hit that bottom so it don't stick.
That's what I've been doing.
Okay. There you go. Yeah. 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 Turn it down a notch. Okay.
Okay.
All right. This has been about 10 minutes. It's been on medium high. You got to constantly stir it or the bottom will burn. And then it'll taste like crap. So I'm going to take some. And those nice biscuits that I made yesterday in the previous video.
Got excited.
Pour you a little over the top.
Daisy's like, where's mine?
Now to eat those correctly.
You have to have a family fight about it.
Besides that,
What is it? Oh, yeah. Get a little.
who is that? Who are you holding?
This is Daisy Mae.
Who's Daisy Mae?
That's my great granddaughter. Yes.
So to eat this correctly, you get your little
Butter.
butter.
There you go. Yeah.
When you don't have any money, that's your excellent treat.
And breakfast.
And breakfast.
All right.
So, that's, you want to try it?
Yeah. Why
Here.
not?
See how I did?
Well, I'm gonna get me a spoon.
We'll get you a spoon. I just don't want to dirty up all your dishes. That means there's more to watch. Get you a baby spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get our baby spoon.
That works.
I use baby spoons in my other. See how I did?
Getting on my finger.
We don't get it on your finger.
Okay.
How's that?
Good.
Did it taste like crap or did I make it
You
good?
made it good.
All right. All right. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Peggy, thank you so
Enjoy.
much for
Yep.
helping us out with
Thanks
this
for-
recipe and this video.
It's my recipe.
It's her recipe. It's her family's recipe. So, thank
All
you
right.
guys very much.
Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like
Make
and
you some
subscribe.
chocolate gravy. Let us know how it is.
All right.
Goodbye.
Bye.